So it is the 1st of January 2020 and we are at Umie to buy some New Year's lucky bags, also known as happy bags or fukubuguro. And stores all across Japan bring them out around New Year's and they are full of random stock from the previous year. So I'm really excited to see what I get in the bags this year. Oh, there's so many to choose from. Brady. So we're just driving down the road now. We want to go to a few more stores. In particular, we want to go to Loft, which is like a really big department store. And we want to go to a store called Spins, that's like a secondhand vintage clothing store. They have really cool clothes, so I hope that they have some lucky bags. Okay, it's actually January 2nd now. Unfortunately, Loft and Spins were both closed yesterday, so we're here again today to get the lucky bags. Get one of these ones. Looks really cute too. They seem to only have these clothing sets, so I don't think I'll get a bag from Spins. We're having a quick lunch break and then we're gonna go home and open the bags. 1, 2, 3. Looks so good. Yum. Okay, so we are back from shopping finally after 2 days, and these are all of the bags that we bought. So we got these 3 from Village Vanguard, and we got this little one from the Sanrio store. We got these 2 from Loft, and before I open them, special mention, because Loft and Spins were closed on the 1st, we actually went to the game center and we won this new Goku figure to go along with my never-ending collection of Goku figures. We probably spent more trying to win it from the claw machine than you'll pay for it in a store, but oh well, we won it. It was fun. Okay. Oh, and I couldn't resist buying these while we were out shopping. Look how cute these are. It says Sailor Moon lip cream and cable bite accessory. They weren't in a bag or anything, I wanted to buy them. Okay, so I think we will open these from smallest to largest. So let's start with this small one from Loft. This one cost about 1,000 yen. Ooh, it is full of snacks. Okay, we have some yuppie gummy lunch and some oh so healthy fruit crisps. They are mango sweet potato banana flavor. Wow, sounds alright. And we have pom sticks, salted. And the last thing in there is, oh yum, chocolates, crispy caramel and sea salts. I'll eat those. Next, we will open the cute Sanrio bag. This one only cost 3,000 yen. They also had 5,000 yen bags, but I didn't feel like buying the big bag. Ooh. Oh, this looks so cute. Wow, okay. We have this little twin stars Looks like a lunchbox. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. We have a little My Melody mini backpack. It's so cute. And we have a mini coin bank, but we don't know which one's inside yet. And oh, a few things in this packet. It looks like it's pom-pom put in, I think. It's just a toy. Cute toy. Okay. We have a Hello Kitty pen. We have a Cardcaptor Sakura and Little Twin Stars keychain. That's pretty cute. We have, oh, it's a Hello Kitty Omikuji. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Oh, there's like 9 different designs. And they have like a fortune inside, I think. They have a message inside. Oh, that's cute. We have, it's a Hello Kitty box and I think a notepad, maybe? I'm not sure. Oh, it's a, I think it's like a pop socket, except it's like a strap for the back of your phone so you can hold your phone with it. Okay, last but not least, we have a blanket. Oh, that's a soft blanket. I think it's got cinema roll. It's a cinema roll blanket. Oh, that's really soft. Okay, and that is all we got in the Sanrio bag. Nice. Next, we'll open up the bigger bag from Loft. There were quite a few characters to choose from, and I chose this one, which is called Aishisugite Daisuki-sugiru. It's like, I love you too much, I like you too much, kind of thing. Well, first we have this super cute bag that it comes in. Ooh. It's so cute. There's the other one. Adorable. We also have, it's like a little wallet, a little cheese wallet. Looks like another bag. Oh, it's like a little pouch. That's cute. And then the last thing in here also looks like another blanket. Oh no, there's a few things with the blanket. Oh wow, okay. There's a little choo-choo keychain. And there's like a pin and badge set. And it looks like a lanyard. That's cute. And then here is the blanket.
Oh,
So cute.
that's really cute.
It's really soft. Oh, it's definitely worth 7,000 yen. I'm really interested to see what we get in the Village Vanguard bags because I have no idea what to expect from these, especially this big one. Pretty sure the store said they only have 8 of these in the whole store. So it's pretty exciting that we got one. Let's start with this one. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot in here. All right. We have this really cute flamingo tote bag. That's adorable. And, ooh. What is this, like a drink holder? Keep cool and warm for your drinks. And it says soft surf sound. Then we have tokage. What was a tokage? A lizard or something? Well, it's a random little keychain. Ooh, this is like a plushy Mickey. Mickey, the true original, 90 years of imagination. Okay, so it's like a Mickey Mouse. And it lies flat like this. It's squishy. That's pretty cute. Oh, we got some slippers. Pair of slippers. We got a, what? It's a pillow. Okay, we have this random pillow. Random pillow. I don't know what it says. Squishy. And last, we have this cute plushy doggy with different colored eyes. Very cute. It's okay. You will survive without me for 5 minutes. But first, next up is this bag. I think the design of this bag is like so adorable. Look at it. It's so cute. I want to keep the bag. Oh, okay. Got some games. Taki 2020. Table tennis for our tiny apartment. Nice. Taki 2020. That's pretty interesting. We have Metallic Nano Puzzle Premium Series. Oh, that's really hard, actually. That's cool. Look, a few more things. Oh wow, it's a yokai watch pen. Yeah. And the sticker says "for you" on it. That is so creepy. Oh, we have a Thrasher Skateboard Magazine pouch. Very nice. Oh, this was heavy. We got some kinetic sand. This is gonna be a mess, but I'm actually really excited to play with this. And, oh, socks. And they're my size. Yay, I actually needed some of these anyway. Oh, we got a really sad bear. His name is Komari Kuma. Komari is like to be in trouble or something. So he's a bear in trouble. And some more balls. Cool. That was really weird.
How much was it?
That was was it 5,000, I think? Yeah, 5,500 for that bag. That's pretty good. I mean, we got an automatic table tennis thing and kinetic sand. All right, finally, it's time for the last bag, the big one. Looking at what we got in the last two Village Vanguard bags, I'm really interested and nervous to see what we get in this one. Okay, wow, it's really big. The design on this one too is really cool. Oh, we got this large stuffed kangaroo. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I just bought one of these. It's another cable bite accessory. What is that? Is it like a dog? No, it's a tiger. It's still cute though. Okay. Oh, another Thrasher product. Oh, it's a backpack. That's pretty nice. Oh wow, this is worth 6,000 yen. That's pretty cool. Oh, more yokai stuff. I didn't even watch this show. It's a yokai okane ga hairu yo. Oh, it's like a money box. That's really cute. It is cute. We got, oh, it's a fan. Oh, cool. I might actually open this up. Oh, cool. It comes in like a little cover. It's got a little tassel on the end. Ooh, wow. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, Okay, there's 2 more things in here. We have a Corona bottle opener. Nice. And last thing we have, ooh, camo. Oh, it's Champion. Oh, shorts. Champion shorts. So that is all the bags. Okay, so this is everything we got from the lucky bags. We spent about 31,000 yen on everything, and we got a lot of random stuff. I was not expecting stuff like this to be in the bags. I think we have too much. I can't keep all of this in my tiny apartment in Japan, so I will keep some of the things that I like, and then I want to give some of these things away to you guys. So we've decided to give away 3 sets of prizes. So the first set has the Thrasher pouch and backpack, the snacks, this troubled bear, and the big kangaroo. And the next set has the Yokai Watch money box, slippers, a pillow, the flamingo tote bag, and the really cute Mickey Mouse. And this set is just a bunch of little cute things that we got in some of the bags, along with the Twin Stars lunchbox and the cute little cable bite. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment telling me how you celebrated New Year's this year. And please leave your Instagram so I can contact you if you win. And thank you for watching. I'm sorry, I'm really cringy. Bye.